basically, I've just learned this thing where you get out of gyptage. So basically, you just make sure that they're like the ends of it are kind of sort of between your wrists, and then you like go like this, and whoa, it works. I'm trying that again. Okay. Oh wait, I can't. I think I just broke it. I don't. Did I just break it? It won't let me go back in. Wow. It's supposed to go in that way. But all of it, what? Okay, so I guess I broke it. I don't know. I want to try to do it again. Okay, so I guess I broke out of it. Ooh.